Welcome to ADP Realtime, your new time and attendance system. ADP Realtime allows you to manage your employees' time effectively while ensuring your teams are adequately staffed and your business can operate efficiently. The data from within your ADP Realtime system is then able to be fed easily into your ADP Payroll solution, so you can pay your employees correctly, every time, on time. Your main dashboard is accessible after logging into the system, be it from the mobile app on your device or through your computer's internet browser. Every employee, regardless of their security level, will have a dashboard that provides quick access to the information that's important and relevant to them. There is a vast array of widgets available for the dashboard within the ADP Real-Time system, from timesheet statistics to company announcements, various exceptions needing management, and even, if we scroll down, you can see some of the many reports configured to display in a graphical form. With this timely real-time data, Robin can ensure her business is always running to plan. As you can see in the example system on the screen, Robin, our company administrator, has customized her dashboard by configuring her various widgets to provide her the information she wants to know in the moment. There are typically three main roles within the ADP real-time system based on security settings. The company administrator role is responsible for maintaining the system from a client perspective. Robin, our company administrator, will partner with ADP to ensure the system is configured correctly. The supervisor role is responsible for managing their team. As the employees clock in and out and submit their requests, the supervisor will manage and juggle the team accordingly, from timesheet management to scheduling the employees. The final role is that of the employee. The employee is usually an individual contributor with no direct reports of their own and minimal responsibility within the system, other than managing their own timesheets. Other customized roles can be configured as necessary. The employee experience is a seamless one. Everyone in your business can have access to the mobile application, UKG Ready, should they wish to use it. The app is available to be downloaded from either the Apple or Android stores. The app is not mandatory, however, as all functionality is available from the website. The website is run from the cloud, which conveniently means no software to download on your computer and access from any computer. Let's now take a look at Mary, one of the employees, using her phone app. Mary begins her day by clocking in through her mobile phone application, or via the website if she chooses. Geographical fencing rules can be established, if required, to ensure Mary is only able to clock in or out from within a suitable radius of the workplace if she's using her phone. This clock-in time is automatically populated into her timesheet for her against her default cost center. Mary can now get about her day. She needn't return to the app until such time as she needs to clock in again, perhaps to finish for the day, or begin lunch, or even change cost centers. All of this she can do herself, cutting down on the basic administration for the manager or the company administrator. Like the computer browser version, we have the same widgets available within the app. Mary has her widgets configured so she can see the information that's relevant to her. In this case, she has company announcements, some time statistics, her schedule, and even her leave balances. What if Mary wants more details about her schedule? She can tap within the widget on the dashboard, or if she navigates through the hamburger menu to My Info, My Schedule, Schedule, she can see her roster clearly displayed here. What about leave applications? Suppose Mary would like to take a week of annual leave in September. She is able to apply for this leave herself through the app or website. There are a couple of ways of doing this. The simplest being to navigate through the hamburger menu, into the My Info tab, Time, Time Off, Request, and fill out the details. Should there be any issues with this leave application, such as insufficient leave balances, warning messages will alert her to them. These requests will go directly to her manager's to-do list for them to action accordingly. We've now logged in as Mary's direct manager, Arthur. Arthur could use the app or computer browser for his tasks. Arthur is responsible for ensuring his employees' requests and timesheets are correct and submitted through for processing. Let's begin by approving Mary's leave request. The easiest way for Arthur to manage this request is to go to the bell icon in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Clicking on this bell icon will open his to-do list. Mary's leave request instantaneously populated into Arthur's to-do list the instant she clicks Submit. Approving or rejecting the request is as simple as clicking the button. More information can be sought through these icons if Arthur needs it, prior to making his final decision. Once approved, Mary's timesheet and schedule are adjusted instantaneously. As the company administrator, Robin can establish ongoing, static work schedules for the employees. Ad hoc schedules can also be created for those employees without a static schedule. Changes can be made to schedules, both static and ad hoc, at any time. Robin and Arthur both have the ability to make these changes in their company administrator and manager roles. Ad hoc scheduling and changes to static work schedules can be done in the weekly schedule screen. This screen can be customized by the user to display their desired time frame. In this example, Arthur has configured the screen to be his default view and to display a rolling next 14 days. Arthur can use this screen to add schedules, remove schedules, even replace schedules where he sees fit. Given Mary is now to be on leave in September, Arthur has asked Herbie to take over her shifts for her. Updating the schedule can be done by clicking on the tick box next to Herbie's row and selecting Replace Schedules. The daily rule, or shift, can be selected from the drop-down list, or if none suit the situation, a new daily rule can even be built from scratch as a one-off. The required days are selected via their tick box, and lastly, Arthur clicks Save. The system will now automatically update for Herbie and all involved. Now that all of Arthur's general maintenance is done, it's over to Mary, Herbie, and the rest of the team to clock in and out, submit their requests, and just go about their jobs. It is up to Arthur to monitor his team's timesheets, ensuring that they are correct and up to date. Suppose that Herbie has worked some overtime. As you can see in this timesheet, Herbie worked a 9.5-hour day on Monday. Herbie is entitled to overtime for the extra hour and a half. In this instance, Arthur will need to navigate into his manager's view of Herbie's timesheet, come to the overtime column, and approve it with the selection of a radio button. Once he's done, he hits save. At the end of the pay period, the final step for Arthur is to prepare the timesheet for input into Payroll. This is achieved by clicking Approve. Typically, Arthur will now be locked out of the timesheet to prevent further changes and hand it over to the administrator so that Robin can complete the payroll process and get the employees paid. To assist everybody with their responsibilities, ADP Realtime has an abundance of reporting available to utilise in their respective roles. As company administrator, Robin will have access to all of them. If she navigates to the hamburger menu, My Info, Reports, she can access the various reports in their respective categories. Every report can be customised to produce the specific data needed in the moment. Functionality also exists for scheduling the report to run automatically, even to send a downloaded copy via email at the time of her choosing. As we've seen, ADP Realtime is an intuitive, user-friendly system that reduces effort from everyone's perspective. It really is the ultimate partner for paying your employees correctly, every time, on time.